These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say
Hello, Teacher Melanie. This is my project in Hella House Tour.
coming home. I'm coming home to you.
This is the bar. And this is the study area. I don't online class here. And this is the kitchen. This is the cabinet. I will and then this is the stove. And that is the baking thing. This is the toyo, vegetable oil, many things. This is the dining area. This is the CR. This is the storage room. This is the stairs. This is the master's bedroom. We sleep in here. Yes, it's buhay, the aircon. This is the vanity. This is my bag. This is where I put my books. Alright! And then this is the remote control of the aircon. We don't lagay it here. Wait, I'm just gonna close the door. And that is the aircon. Then this is the light. It's also a light, but it's pundi. Okay. So this is what I use if I am going to sleep here. I'm not sleeping in this something. And this is the CR.
And the lights will turn on.
There. I take a bath there. I always take a bath there. But not at the CR that I showed you. And then this is the closets. This is my dad's closet, even my little brother's closet. Then this is my mom's closet, her closet. The next is my room. Para lang yung door. I don't sleep in here. I just sleep in here pag may sleepovers. Then this is where I put my bags. I have a bag. 4 bags, actually. This is my bag. And then this is a TV. I don't use the TV here. In here I have my lagayan. Yeah. For photo cards and all. And then this is my vanity area or desk where I study. I also study here. This is nail polish. There's some perfume, pen, and pin, sharpener. It rhymes. And alcohol, then things, then ukulele. And I also have here my other things. I have many things actually. This is also my things. And then my closet. Yeah, this is my closet. I have many clothes. More many than my mom's. Yeah. Then the lights. Yeah, there's a light there. Then next, it's the guest room. This is normally the attic because we don't use this room. We don't do this. Pero malinis naman siya. Yeah. There's the balloon that my little brother used in his car today. Oh my goodness. Yeah. This is the vacuum cleaner. And that is my trolley. Then those are my shoes. Pero sira na. Yeah. And this is a bag. There's also a vacuum cleaner here, but it's broken. There's also this thing. Napaikot-ikot. So that's all for my house tour project on Hella. Thank you. Bye-bye.